Hello, my name is Matt Faler with Consumer Action Law Group, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about California's lemon law. If you have a vehicle covered by its manufacturer's warranty, it usually is eligible for California's lemon law if it has had 2 or more repairs for any problem that the vehicle has had, if it impairs the vehicle's use, safety, or value. Let me give you an example of that. We had a client who had a very expensive, over $75,000 truck whose engine needed replacement, and the manufacturer replaced the engine. Shortly thereafter, the engine failed again. This time, the manufacturer refused to replace the engine. We filed suit on this matter and successfully were able to get the manufacturer to repurchase the vehicle for all the money our client had spent on the vehicle, paying off the outstanding loan and paying her attorney's fees.